Hi, this is Tony Edgin from CyVerse, and he's going to demo something called irods-fish, and he has 6 minutes. Take it away.
Let's see. I hope I grabbed the right terminal. I have too many open. Okay, yes, I did. So, as an irods administrator, I end up working with lots of different irods environments, usually like one after another, and switching several times a day. So we're working with a couple of users on multiple grids. Like for instance, here are irods environment files I have defined that I swap between. So I found it a hassle swapping between with using just manually doing things like that, and I like to write code, so I wrote some functions to make this a little easier. A warning though, I use the fish shell, which it focuses on having a good UI, including robust tab completions. So all the work I've done works only in the fish shell. So anyway, if you want to see where the fish shell is. So there it is. It's the command line shell for the 90s for all you guys. Yeah. And of course, typing in demo makes everything more fun. So the first function I created is it's called irods-prompt, and you add it to the fish prompt, and its sole purpose is to show you which environment you're in and the path, your local path. So as you can see, I'm in I'm me in the prod environment, and I'm in the irods-fish demo subdirectory subcollection. I can go back to the home collection. I can jump back into the fish, and things change. So I also have created some other functions to help navigate the environment. So IENVS lists the environments in the form that you type them into the command line, which is just the environment file names without the JSON on them. So let's switch. I have another command called iSwitch, which allows you to switch environments. So if we go to Edgin at dev, and now in my home directory, if I do an ILS here, you'll see not very interesting things. Other command I have is called ido, kind of like sudo, but it executes a command in a different environment than the one you're in without you leaving the one you're in. So let's go execute something in prod. So it went and found that the MOTD file and just dumped from prod and then dumped it in the screen. I'm still in the dev environment. So in addition to that, I've ported all of Bruno Desnik's bash tab completions for irods to fish, and I'm in the process of extending them to cover all the command line options. Here's an example of one I have worked on. And I got there we go. So you can see it shows you what options are and what little help on them. Tab, and I could do more. Rep zone, I want to see all the zone ones. I can do, see, then there's no distinct uppercase. It doesn't, once I start, yeah, it's not so smart at this point, but basically I'd start the query now and do a search. Anyway, I've bundled these up in Debian and RPM packages, but they're not published anywhere. Well, I didn't bundle them. You can bundle them yourselves. All the packaging logic's there in my GitHub repo, which is here. The other links right there. And I am looking for people interested in helping complete the completions. Anyway, any questions?
Very good. We've got a lot of fish fans in Slack channel. They appreciate this is from the 90s. I don't think there's any questions. We need a fish. We need a fish. I don't know what that means, Raja. I'm not sure if that's in the form of a question. But otherwise, thank you, Tony.
You're welcome.
And
Let's see, unshare.
thank you.